So you might be trying to figure out how to go ahead and use VS Code, and you might be trying to figure out exactly where to start. Well, luckily for you, you're in the right place. VS Code is one of the best coding editors out there. It's completely free. It allows you to edit up all your code in one area. It supports a lot of different languages like JavaScript, C++, all these other ones as well. It's fully customizable, you can code anywhere, and it's made by Microsoft, so it's pretty much going to be, an industry standard type of tool. Now, to get started with VS Code, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to code.visualstudio.com or the first link down in the description, and it will take you to the download page. Now, you want to go and click on this download button that's right here. It will probably end up showing download for Windows or Mac OS or Linux, whatever you have. So click right here and you can click on it and download it, or you can also access the web version if you want to. So if you want to access the web version, you can click on the web version right there, and it will allow you to basically log in. So you have a couple of different options. Now I do have the downloaded version right here. So once you download it and install it, this is basically what the layout of this particular application looks like. At the very top, you'll have your exit buttons, all this stuff. You'll have your tabs right here. So the more types of windows you have open, they'll basically go ahead and populate here, just like on an internet browser, you'll have more tabs you can switch through. This top page right here will just show you all the different folders that you're basically, CD'd into. So any folder you want to open up for any files or anything like that, you can go and add a folder here. If you want to search for a specific, specified folder or a file, you can click on the search bar right here and search through those things right here. You can also find and replace kind of within a file here as well. If you have access to a GitHub or like a Git repository and you want to go ahead and basically clone your code into here, you can go through and you can clone your repository, or you can open up your folder. So you can go and get access to your Git repository right here. You can also go through and click on open, this portion, which allows you to open a file which you can debug to basically run. And then the bottom portion is kind of the extensions panel. You can go through and install any of the type of extensions that you want that are supported. So if you want, this one or this one, you just click on it and then you can go through and update it, or, kind of go from there. At the bottom, you can log into your Microsoft account. You can access your settings of your particular application right here. In the top right, if we look at it right up here, you have these tabs that basically just show you the same thing. So this tab will basically just allow you to customize the layout of your UI. This right or the left tab right here will bring up your extensions. This bottom tab will bring up basically your CD, so your terminal, where you can go ahead and put in terminal commands. You can run your code in this panel down here. On the top right again, you'll see that you can basically go through and you can hide or show this toggle right here. And that's kind of it. Now you have the ability of kind of going through and kind of using your particular VS Code the way you want to. Most people will probably start with these two options, either creating a new file or opening up an existing file. If you have an existing file, let's say a Python file you've already created, you can click on open and open up that file. But if you don't already have it, what you can do is you can go through and click on the new file here, and it will go ahead and allow you to basically create a new file. If we wanted to create a new Python file, we can just click right over here and click on new Python file, and we can start bringing in our code. So however you want to start bringing in your code, you can go and start kind of, start typing in whatever you want to. So there's an unlimited amount of things here. You can just go and start kind of, coding out whatever things you want to. But that's basically how you start. You start your coding here. Whenever you're done and you're ready, you can go through and start clicking on the file button right up here. And you can either save your file, you can save as, you can try running your file. If you have it saved, you can go through and just run your Python file here. And that is basically how you go ahead and use VS Code at a very high level. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.